Hey yo guys, how's it going? Marlon King here, and I thought it's about time I gave you an update on how the car's doing with that coolant leak. Let's go and check it out. Let's check it out. There's still coolant in there, although it has dropped below the line. It's not meant to have dropped that far, but well, take two, because it was hammering down and I had to run off back indoors. But the long story short is we have made another fix to the coolant system, and hopefully that is it. No more leaks, and so far so good. So we had this change done in September. It's now, well, it's still November, but it's going to be December any moment now, and fingers crossed nothing's gone wrong. So the two fixes we've done so far since the last video, should I say, is I changed the cap, which was a very cheap thing, and it seems silly, but the cap was jamming and it controls the pressure in the whole system, and I think the pressure was building up too much and forcing the coolant to find an exit somewhere, thus causing problems. However, changing the cap didn't fix the issue, right? So the second thing we did, we put it in again for another check over, and they believed the actual, what would you call it, the tank that stores the coolant had the leak, which would kind of make sense, right? If that's got a hole, then it would just keep on spilling out. So we've had that replaced, and yeah, 2 months no leaks. So that's that, and hopefully this will wrap up the whole coolant series with the old Vauxhall Insignia. I hope you enjoyed it, to my peril of course, but fingers crossed no more. Other than that, I've been hanging up some Christmas lights, and you could say it's I don't want to say a little bit lackluster, but you know what, it's a pain trying to drill holes into brick wall, and the other option was hot glue gun. And to be honest with you, I didn't really want to do hot glue gun either, because I see videos where it just leaves horrible residue. So I decided I'll just do a back garden display instead, and let's have a look. So essentially I've just draped it over the creepers and it seems to be working. I've used a little hook system that I was using for shade in the summer. That was just a hook I already had in the wall. Seems to be doing a good job though so far. It's been up less than 24 hours. Let's see how it does. Anyway, that's it really. I didn't really have too much else to say, but I thought it was about time I just gave you an update on the car. I did actually have someone request in the comments for a Vauxhall Insignia update, so there it is. And on that note, have a great day. Catch you later. Peace.